can your prospects find you? Let's say you provide water damage restoration services and you are in Midwest or maybe East Coast. There's a major storm at night. It's about 4 in the morning. People's basements are getting flooded. Maybe there's a power outage or the sump pump starts to fail. If someone wants to find you, if someone is looking for a basement water extraction company or a water damage restoration business, can they find you? Can they find you on Google, on Yahoo or Bing? If it's 4 in the morning, they're not going to call their agents or adjusters or their buddies asking for referrals. They'll run to search engines. So when they Google water damage restoration and their area, let's say if I was talking about East Coast, maybe Baltimore, so water damage restoration Baltimore, or in this case, water damage restoration in Atlanta, can they really find you? It's important that you must understand as we go through this course, as we go through all the search engine optimization strategies, it's important that you understand, end of the day, you want to make sure your prospects can find you, not just during the day, not just through referrals, not just through agents, adjusters, and through plumbers or everything else you do. As a restoration company, you want to make sure they can find you at 4 in the morning through search engines. Because when that happens, that's when you start to get more and more leads, customers, increased revenue, and profits. Now, what happens after they find you? They want to do some research on your business. They want to make sure that you are credible. They want to make sure they can trust you. How do they do that? After finding your business, after finding your company name, your website, people will search on your name. They'll search on the owner's name at times too. So for example, in this case here, we have a client, Done ATL. When you Google Done ATL, you see they pretty much dominate the first page of Google. Let's see if we go to Google and I just search for Done ATL. You'll see their Yelp listing, their website, their Yelp, Better Business Bureau, Home Advisor, Facebook, MapQuest, Indeed, and so forth. You also see there Google My Business page, right? Now, this is of course for the business. What if someone wants to search on my name? What if someone wants to search on your name? So in that case also, you should pretty much dominate the first page of Google. That adds credibility. In this case, of course, my blog, sonnyahuja.com, my Facebook, my LinkedIn profile. This is someone else. My Twitter, our website, Kill It Online. I write for R&R Magazine. I work with restoration industry, so of course I'm right there. My YouTube channel, my listing on self-growth, and so forth. So, and of course my Google My Business page. So this really helps a prospect trust you. So here's a few things to keep in mind. When someone is searching for you specifically, your website will always be there. It should always be there. It should be always number one, because that's where you make the sales. That's where you drive traffic to. But then how about your Google My Business page? That's important enough. As we go through this program, the strategies that you learn, the ideas that you get are not only for your website. You should also be able to optimize your Google My Business listing. You should be able to optimize your Yelp listing. You should be able to optimize your social media presence, your social media profiles, your social media listings, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, Pinterest, and so on. Understanding search engine optimization is not just for your website. Remember that. You can use the same strategy, you can use similar strategies for your other listings on internet as well. You can optimize your YouTube videos, you can optimize your Facebook profile, your Facebook business pages, you can optimize your LinkedIn profile, you can optimize your LinkedIn business page, and so forth. So this is a multiple way of getting on front page of search engines. These are the multiple strategies, multiple ways to get on page 1 of Google.